Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So I have a lovely array of mini albums here. So these are featuring in Simply Cards and Papercraft issue 177 and it's a mini album masterclass. And here we are, here's just a quick sneak peek of what's inside one of the albums, which is this one here. So these albums have been sent to the magazine and now they're back with me in my craft room, so I can quickly show you a few of them. So let's go back to the magazine. So you get a nice freebie with this one. So this is called Coffee Break, and you get nice tea and coffee related stamps and dies. So you get all these lovely stamps here. These are all photopolymer, and you get a lovely die here as well for the top of your coffee cup. And you also get a stencil as well, so there's absolutely loads of things that you can do with this. And then inside the magazine there's loads of ideas as well of what you can do with this set. So let's just quickly set that aside. So in the masterclass, I can't remember what page I'm on, let's have a quick look. Here we go. So here's the masterclass. So I've written a few paragraphs on mini album making, and these are all the albums that are right there. And basically I go through intermediate, easy, intermediate, and to a harder level, so more advanced. And it's got all of the dimensions that you need to make this as well. So let's have a quick look at some of the albums. So these didn't take too long to make. Some of them were quite actually quick. So we'll start with the most basic one. So this is just a quick memory book here, and it flips out just like that. Let's pull that out slowly, and it's double-sided as well, so you can put plenty of photos on here. It's like a zigzag Z sort of theme. So that one's a really easy, simple make. So I've done two of each, two easy ones. So this is another easy envelope book. So these are made from the envelopes and the cards. So there'll be two of these tutorials in the magazine with step-by-step photographs as well, and there's step-by-step photographs for this one. So let's move these two aside. So those are the two easy ones. So moving on to the more advanced, let's pop those aside. We have these two here. So these are intermediate. I'll start with this one in a box. So it's just a simple box like so. And it comes off like that, and on the inside, that's upside down, and on the inside we have a cascading album, so it pops out of the box like so. So it's inside the box like that, and it also has pockets as well, so you can slide photographs in there in your journaling. So this is actually a really quick and easy make, and it is stuck to the bottom of the box as well, and it all slides in together just like so. So in the intermediate we are introducing you to pockets. Put that aside. This one is about my cat Tommy. So this one is a paper bag mini. This is when he was a baby. So cute, and he just loved to sleep. So this one is made from paper bags, and it has belly bands and it has pockets as well. Let's pop this one out. So there is room there for more tags, but I've just popped one in each one so far, and I've used some stamping on there as well. So these belly bands are really handy for just sliding extra photos, and you could probably get 3 or 4 photos in there. My cat does like the sink. He still tries to fit in there actually, and he doesn't mind if you turn the tap on either. It just starts to fill with water, and then he has a little bath. So we have some more stamping here. Oh, we have 2 in there. There we go, it's his first Christmas. And then yeah, he's a very long skinny cat now. There he is sitting on all the blankets I crocheted as well. He likes to snuggle up to things. And here he is on Musco Electrics as well. He fell asleep on the track, so yeah, we had to wait for him to move before we could start the cars up. Okay, so that is the last of the intermediate middle album. So that one was really easy to make as well. So it has basic card cover as well, and a belly band. And the paper collection I've used for all of this is actually from first edition paper, and it's called Floral Fusion. So these are all my offcuts. So I've got quite a lot there. I can still make some cards with this and other, maybe even smaller mini albums. Loads left over. So this 12 by 12 pack did these 6 albums, and there's like still absolutely loads left. So I'll leave a link for the Floral Fusion collection down below as well. So here we have the next one, which is in the advanced section now. So we're moving on to hard covers. So we're stepping up a level. So in here we have a wedding folio, and it has these flaps here that you could put your photos in. I would probably put my photo along this section here, and then leave this pretty paper as it is, or you could probably fit some smaller ones just so that it doesn't poke out underneath each card, so that it kind of breaks up the paper. But I want to see the paper when I open it, so I'll keep the photos here and perhaps some journaling here or some nice sentiments. So we'll flick through here. Gorgeous papers. Right, so here we have a locking system for the next one. So there's 2 flaps there, and this comes out, and then it makes these open here, and then we have a pocket inside for some more journaling spots and photograph places. So you can pop those in there. You can probably fill that up quite nicely, and there's more room at the top and the bottom here, and the flaps there for more photos or even more journaling. So we'll pop that back in. That will keep these flaps closed. And then inside here we have another pocket here. I've kind of kept the embellishments minimal, as in there's nothing there, just so that it will close properly. And then here we have a pocket for some more photo places, some more photo mats, so you can probably fit quite a few in there as well. So this one is for a wedding, so lovely colours there. And then moving on to the last one, there's a step-by-step photo feature for this one as well. And it's got the hard covers, it's got a binding system here as well, so it's a little bit more complicated, but it's explained in the step-by-step photos. So here we have these. This is my daughter when she was born, dressed up as a cat there. So we have this little system here. It does 2 things. It seals the bottom, otherwise it would be open by the way we folded the paper, and it also creates a tuck point as well. So we have a top pocket up here for photographs and photo mats and journaling, and it's large enough for the 4x6 photos as well, so that's really good. And on the other side we have a belly band and another place here for a photo or journaling place. And that slides in like that. So this one has, I think it's 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pages. And all the pages are done the same, but I've added different elements to make it slightly different. So here we have an envelope feature. You can't tell it's an envelope, but it flaps out. It's made from envelopes. And there's place here for more photographs. I've kind of tried to keep it flat as possible there. And then we have this one here. I've glued that one down. So there's another place here for a photograph there. She did a lot of crying and sleeping. And then we have another one here. More photographs, so you can really fill this up. So this would make an absolutely perfect gift for giving away to somebody. And then we have a larger envelope feature here that folds out entirely. So this is basically just a book of my my daughter's first year of life, graduating from newborn to when she was 1. So that pops in there. There she is sitting up for the first time. Well, not for the first time, but soon after she learned to sit up. And we have another belly band there for some more tuck points, and then we have some larger pictures here. So yeah, you can get the larger pictures in, which is good. I like the albums where you can fit the 4x6s in, and they do fill up a lot of the page as well, so there's less decorating to do as well, so it just makes more of a feature of the photograph. And then we have a last one at the back, and then we also have another tuck down or fold out feature here, made from envelopes and the pattern paper, and I've even glued these on to make pockets. So I've made a thumb hole here with half a circle punch, so there's some lovely photos in there. It's a little bit of a tight fit. Pop that back in. Then we have another one here. That's her eating a biscuit. Okay, so that's the last album. This is the most advanced album in the series. So please do pop along to the link down below and check out the magazine. Craft Stash do international postage, so you can get this magazine wherever you are. So that's my mini class for Simply Cards and Papercraft. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again.